A lot of us pay attention to what we eat for a healthy heart and brain, but we tend to forget about our kidneys until we have kidney problems that we realize how important they are. Even though kidneys are small, but they are powerful organs that work around the clock. They perform many important functions, including filtering waste from our blood, balancing fluids, maintaining bone health, regulating blood pressure, and producing essential hormones. Unfortunately, various factors can damage these vital organs, and now kidney disease affects about 10% of the world's population. Yet despite their critical role, many of us neglect to give our kidneys the attention they deserve until problems arise. Fortunately, eating a balanced and healthy diet can certainly support kidney health, so that's why in today's video, we've put together a list of 11 foods that are great for your kidneys and can really help keep them in good shape. Before we continue, just a quick reminder that this video is for informational purposes only. Do speak to your doctor for medical advice. Number 1. Red grape. To begin with, you can opt for foods that not only offer high nutritional value, abundant with numerous minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. You might not know that red grapes can boost the immune system and improve digestion, especially if you suffer from kidney disease. Red grapes are loaded with antioxidants, which includes resveratrol, a compound that has various health benefits. Resveratrol is found in the skins of red grapes and has been shown in laboratory studies to slow or prevent the growth of tumors in various types of cancer, including lymph, liver, stomach, breast, colon, skin cancer, and leukemia. These antioxidants play a crucial role in regulating blood circulation and reducing hypertension, a significant risk factor for kidney disease. Additionally, the vitamins present in red grapes enhance immunity and support organ function. Number 2. Berries. Ensuring your kidney health and warding off kidney disease is vital, and blueberries have emerged as a promising ally in this journey. Extensive studies have highlighted the myriad benefits of blueberries, ranging from their antioxidant properties to their positive impact on the vascular and circulatory systems. What's more, blueberries boast low levels of potassium and phosphorus, making them an ideal addition to the diet of those managing kidney disease. Whether fresh or frozen, incorporating blueberries into your daily meals can yield significant kidney and overall health benefits. When fresh blueberries are not available, frozen ones serve as a convenient alternative without compromising nutritional value. Number 3. Cauliflower. Cauliflower contains low potassium and phosphorus content, make it a superstar in the realm of kidney-friendly foods. These two minerals, when consumed in excess, can damage our kidneys. Half a cup of serving cauliflower contains 164 milligrams of potassium and 24 milligrams of phosphorus, making it a good vegetable selection if you're trying to limit these nutrients. By incorporating cauliflower into your diet, you're not just savoring a delicious vegetable, you're also easing the strain on these vital organs, allowing them to function optimally. On top of that, cauliflower is rich in fiber content, which is good for your digestive health. By promoting efficient digestion, cauliflower indirectly supports kidney function by facilitating the elimination of waste and toxins from the body. A well-functioning digestive system is crucial for overall well-being. Let's talk antioxidants. Cauliflower boasts an impressive array of antioxidants, including vitamin C and manganese. These powerful compounds act as bodyguards for your kidneys, shielding them from inflammation and oxidative stress. Given that these factors can contribute to kidney damage over time, and let's not overlook sodium. Regulating sodium intake is essential for kidney health, as it helps manage blood pressure and reduces stress on these vital organs. Fortunately, cauliflower naturally aligns with this goal by being low in sodium. What's even more enticing is cauliflower's versatility in the kitchen. Whether you're roasting it for that delightful crispy texture, mashing it into a hearty side dish, or incorporating it into stir-fries for an extra crunch, there's no shortage of delicious ways to enjoy cauliflower's kidney-loving benefits. Number 4. Fish. Fish is not just a delicious, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that directly support kidney health. Fish is an exceptional source of high-quality protein. This protein is vital for tissue repair, a critical function that directly influences the overall health and functioning of our kidneys. Consuming fish provides our kidneys with the essential building blocks they need to perform optimally, but the benefits of fish extend beyond protein. Certain fatty fish, such as salmon, are some of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids act as a potent weapon against inflammation, a primary contributor to kidney damage over time. By incorporating omega-3 into our diet through fish consumption, we create a protective shield for our kidneys. Omega-3 fatty acids offer more than just anti-inflammatory properties. They also enhance blood flow, a crucial factor in ensuring our kidneys can efficiently filter waste and carry out their essential functions. Additionally, omega-3 help maintain stable blood pressure levels, which is vital for overall kidney health. Moreover, fish is naturally low in saturated fats, making it a fantastic choice for heart health and indirectly benefiting our kidneys. High saturated fat intake is associated with an increased risk of heart disease, a condition often linked to kidney issues. Choosing fish as a protein source is a smart choice for your heart and can also help keep your kidneys healthy. Number 5. Olive oil. Let's now turn our attention to the liquid gold of the Mediterranean, olive oil. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, olive oil stands as a cornerstone of kidney-friendly food. Its anti-inflammatory properties mitigate oxidative stress, while its role in regulating blood pressure eases the burden on our kidneys. Incorporating olive oil into our meal not only enhances flavor but also nurtures our kidneys with every drizzle. Number 6. Garlic. The pungent allure of garlic. Beyond its culinary charm, garlic contains allicin, a compound brimming with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory prowess. By combating oxidative stress and lowering blood pressure, garlic emerges as a potent ally in our mission to fortify kidney health. Additionally, its antibacterial properties offer protection against infections, making your kidneys even stronger. Number 7. Onions. Onions, with their distinct aroma and flavor, offer more than culinary delight. They present a bounty of kidney-friendly benefits. Low in potassium and abundant in antioxidants, onions combat inflammation and shield our kidneys from harm. Furthermore, their chromium content aids in regulating blood sugar levels, particularly vital for individuals grappling with diabetes-related kidney concerns. Number 8. Buckwheat. Buckwheat is a pretty cool food when it comes to kidney health because it's packed with nutrients that can help keep your kidneys in good shape. First off, buckwheat is rich in magnesium and potassium. Now you might think, wait, isn't potassium bad for kidneys? Well, too much potassium can be a problem for people with kidney issues, but buckwheat has just the right amount to support your kidneys without overdoing it. Plus, magnesium helps regulate blood pressure, which is crucial for kidney health. Another awesome thing about buckwheat is it's low in phosphorus. High levels of phosphorus can be tough on your kidneys, especially if they're not working properly. So, choosing foods like buckwheat that are low in phosphorus can help ease the burden on your kidneys and keep them functioning well. And let's not forget about the fiber in buckwheat. Fiber is like a superhero for your digestive system, and when your digestion is happy, your kidneys are happy too. It helps prevent constipation and keeps things moving smoothly, which is important for overall kidney health. Other than, it's also gluten-free, making it suitable for people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. So, if you're looking to support your kidneys, adding some buckwheat to your diet is definitely a smart move. Plus, it's versatile and delicious, so you can enjoy it in a variety of dishes. Number 9. Tofu. Tofu is a nutrient-dense plant-based food that is low in phosphorus, potassium, and sodium, making it a kidney-friendly superfood. It contains all the essential amino acids needed to build protein and provide energy, and is rich in minerals such as calcium and magnesium. Tofu also contains omega-3 and omega-6 healthy fats, and has potential health benefits due to its protein, fiber, and isoflavone content. Tofu is a good source of high-quality protein that can be eaten at any meal of the day. It is low in cholesterol and phosphorus, making it a good choice for those with kidney disease who need to follow a low-phosphorus kidney diet. Additionally, tofu contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. Tofu is a versatile food that can be prepared in a variety of ways, including grilling, sautéing, baking, and adding to smoothies, making it a convenient and tasty option for those following a kidney-friendly diet. Number 10. Egg whites. Egg whites are a great option for those looking to maintain healthy kidney function. They have a low phosphorus protein ratio, which makes them a good choice for those with chronic kidney disease or CKD who need to control their phosphorus intake. In fact, a study found that pasteurized liquid egg whites can be an effective component of the renal diet for lowering phosphorus in the blood while maintaining a healthy albumin level. Albumin is an important protein found in the blood that provides the body with the protein needed to maintain growth and repair tissues. During a dialysis treatment, albumin helps with fluid removal by pulling extra fluid from swollen tissues back into the blood, where it can then be removed by dialysis. Egg whites are also a great source of high-quality protein that are suitable for consumption at any time of the day. Additionally, egg whites contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source and helping to maintain healthy albumin levels in individuals with chronic kidney disease. Number 11. Red bell pepper. Red bell peppers are a great food for kidney health due to their low potassium content and high nutritional value. They are packed with powerful antioxidants, vitamin C and vitamin A, as well as vitamin B6, folic acid, and fiber. Red bell peppers also contain an antioxidant lycopene that protects against certain types of cancers. They can be eaten raw, roasted, or sautéed and added to various dishes, making them a versatile and delicious addition to any kidney-friendly diet.